Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now I will show you how to update Roblox app on iPhone. Write whether my solution helped you. Did you have a chance to do so? If you have any questions, let me know below in the comments. I will definitely read, I will answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Let's get started. For this, we need to go to Apple Store on iPhone or iPad. And then we need to find this application in the search box. Go here. And after that here, we will have a tab open or update. If it says open, it means that your version is already updated to the latest. If it says update, you click on it and your Roblox application will be updated to the latest version. The second way to do it is to go to the settings on your iPhone or iPad, open iPhone storage, find the Roblox game, and then we need to click not to delete the application, but to unload it. This way, we will clear the cache and data. But the most important thing is that our application will be updated to the latest version. And none of our data will not be lost. That is, our saves in the game all will remain. Most importantly, we will update to the latest version of the game Roblox. If you liked this video, write whether my solution helped you. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Goodbye.